What's the one mistake you might be making every day that's harming your eye health? According to Barbara O'Neill, it's something most of us don't even think about: spending too much time focusing on short-range objects like computers, phones, and TVs. This habit can lead to early eye deterioration, especially as we age. In her talk, Barbara highlights the importance of taking breaks to focus on long-range objects and eating the right foods for your eyes. By making small changes, you can protect your vision and improve your overall eye health. Let's explore what Barbara O'Neill has to say about this important topic. Spending too much time on short-range objects. We all spend way too much time staring at screens these days, whether it's our phones, computers, or TVs. Barbara O'Neill points out that focusing on close-up objects for long periods can really strain your eyes. The constant focus on short-range viewing can lead to early eye deterioration, which many of us don't realize until it's too late. It's even more of a concern for children, whose eyes are still developing, making them more sensitive to the effects of excessive screen time. One easy solution to reduce eye strain is to take regular breaks from screens. Barbara recommends following a simple rule. For every hour you spend looking at a screen, take a few minutes to look at something far away, like the horizon or treetops. This helps relax the eyes and reduces the constant tension they're under. It's such a small habit, but it can have a big impact on your eye health in the long run. So whether you're working, gaming, or just scrolling through your phone, make sure to give your eyes the break they deserve. Strengthening your eyes with rebounding exercises. If you've never heard of rebounding exercises for your eyes, you're not alone. Barbara O'Neill shares this simple technique as a way to strengthen your eye muscles and boost blood circulation. The idea is straightforward. You quickly shift your focus from one object to another, which stimulates movement in your eyes and encourages better blood flow. This can be especially helpful if you spend a lot of time in front of screens or doing detailed work that requires constant focus. Barbara recommends doing these exercises early in the day when your brain is fresh and your eyes are not yet strained. Just like working out other muscles, the more you practice, the stronger and more resilient your eye muscles become. Over time, this can help prevent common issues like eye strain and fatigue, which are often the result of staring at screens for too long. It's a simple and effective habit that can easily fit into your daily routine, helping your eyes stay healthy and energized. So next time you take a break from your screen, try shifting your focus and give those eye muscles a workout. The role of diet in preventing eye diseases. It's easy to forget that what we eat affects more than just our waistline. It plays a big role in keeping our eyes healthy too. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that a balanced diet can help prevent common eye diseases like glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration. She recommends including fiber-rich foods, plant-based proteins from legumes and seeds, and healthy fats in your daily meals to support your eyes. These nutrients don't just benefit your overall health, they also specifically protect your eyes from age-related damage. Barbara points out that the foods you eat today can make a real difference in reducing the risk of serious eye conditions later in life. By nourishing your body with the right vitamins and minerals, you're giving your eyes the tools they need to stay strong. A diet rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats is key to maintaining clear vision and preventing the deterioration that comes with aging. So, adding things like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens to your meals could be a small but powerful way to take care of your eyes for the long haul. Boosting eye health with essential nutrients and healthy fats. Taking care of your eyes goes beyond reducing screen time. It's also about what you eat. Barbara O'Neill stresses that certain nutrients are vital for keeping your vision sharp and protecting your eyes from everyday stress. Vitamins like C, E, beta-carotene, and zinc play a key role in supporting healthy vision and preventing conditions that come with age. These essential nutrients help reduce the risk of deterioration, keeping your eyes functioning at their best. But it's not just about vitamins. Healthy fats also play a big part in eye health. Barbara recommends including fats from sources like nuts, seeds, coconut oil, and olive oil in your diet. These fats help nourish your eyes, keeping them hydrated and better able to deal with the strain of daily life. By combining these nutrients and healthy fats in your meals, you're giving your eyes the tools they need to stay strong. Over time, this simple change can make a noticeable difference, helping you maintain clearer vision as you grow older. It's a small but powerful step toward healthier eyes. Natural remedies for cataracts and eye strain relief. Sometimes the simplest remedies can be the most effective, especially when it comes to eye health. Barbara O'Neill suggests natural alternatives for common eye issues like cataracts and eye strain. One remedy she recommends is castor oil, which can be applied to the eyelids to help break up the unnatural formations that cause cataracts. While this may sound surprising, castor oil has been used for many years as a natural solution for various eye problems. It's a gentle, non-invasive option that's worth trying before considering surgery. Barbara also talks about using herbs like golden seal and eye bright to soothe sore or dry eyes. These herbs can be brewed into a tea and used as an eye wash to provide relief. This natural approach not only helps reduce discomfort, but also offers a safe and effective way to care for your eyes without relying on harsh treatments. By exploring these natural remedies, you may find relief from everyday eye strain or more serious conditions like cataracts. Barbara encourages trying these solutions before turning to more invasive options, giving your eyes a chance to heal naturally. The importance of protecting your eyes from UV rays. When we think about sun protection, we often focus on our skin, but our eyes need protection too. Barbara O'Neill highlights the importance of shielding your eyes from harmful UV rays. Overexposure to the sun can lead to serious eye issues like cataracts and macular degeneration. A simple way to prevent this is by wearing sunglasses with UV protection whenever you're outdoors. It's a small habit that can make a big difference in keeping your eyes healthy. Barbara also suggests getting sunlight through closed eyelids, which allows your eyes to benefit from natural light without direct exposure. This balanced approach helps you support eye health while minimizing the risk of damage caused by UV rays. Taking these precautions now can go a long way in protecting your vision for the future. Avoiding common allergens for better eye and sinus health. Sometimes, what we eat can have a surprising impact on our eye and sinus health. Barbara O'Neill explains that common allergens like wheat, dairy, and refined sugar can cause inflammation, leading to congestion and eye irritation. By cutting these foods from your diet, you may notice improvements in how your eyes and sinuses feel. It's a simple change that could make a big difference in your day-to-day comfort. Barbara also recommends herbs like bilberry and ginkgo biloba for additional eye support. Along with proper hydration, enough sleep, and regular eye exercises, these steps can help keep your eyes in top shape. Addressing these underlying health issues can improve not just your eyes, but your overall well-being. So, whether it's protecting your eyes from UV rays or improving your diet to reduce eye strain, small changes can have a big impact on your eye health. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Earthluxe for more natural ways to take care of your body. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.